If you've been watching this channel for a while, you probably know how much I love coffee. And the Mr. Black is not like other coffee liqueurs. It's a cold brew coffee liqueur, so it's a lot smoother, perfectly balanced, and you can enjoy it by simply pouring it over ice. It's so good. Just don't get too excited and drink it instead of your Starbucks on the way to work, unless this is your work. Well, I wanted to take this magical Australian spirit and take it to another level and create something super simple but refreshing and with a kick. So I decided to try what it would taste like if I add in a cold glass cold brew coffee liqueur, a little bit of fresh lime juice, and top it with cucumber soda. Gently stir it. And when I tried it for the first time, I was like, wow, it's really good. Maybe that will be my new go-to easy mixed drink. But then I was like, wait, that wouldn't be enough to bring you over here today to create this delicious but really simple drink. So I decided to make a cold brew masterpiece, like something that people in the future will be familiar more than with a frappuccino. And for that we need a shaker, some crushed ice. To make our piece of art slightly spicy, we need to cut just a little bit of ginger. I know I should use a peeler instead of a knife, and thanks to everyone who pointed out in my Moscow Mule video. Muddle it with anything you have. About 1/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, 1/2 ounce of elderflower liqueur, and 1.5 ounces of the ingredient without which we wouldn't be here today. Add fresh ice, and while I shake, enjoy this adorable Australian koala. Strain everything in a tall chilled glass. And the next ingredient will make this cocktail the most desirable on this planet, the cucumber soda. Lightly stir it, add more crushed ice, garnish it with a slice of fresh cucumber, and enjoy.